Good morning, guys. Welcome to lesson 2 for the week of Monday, April 6th through Thursday, April 9th. Let's go down to lesson 2. So once you've worked through and demonstrated your knowledge of meiosis, we are going to get into our genetics unit. And obviously, as you know, with biology, biology is kind of like a second language, so understanding the vocabulary is really important. So for your engaged question, what I'd like for you to do is tell me what are 3 words that come to mind when you think of our new genetics unit. Anything that you think of when you think about genetics is totally fine. Just kind of wanting to see what you guys know, what kind of your previous knowledge is. And then you'll go into the genetics basics introduction. This is similar to a lot of the POGLs that we've done in the fact that it gives you some information in the paragraph, and then you have to use that information to answer the questions. So all of the information is there for you. You just have to read. So I know sometimes we like to skip over reading parts, but with this one, that's how I expect you to know this kind of stuff. And then we'll go through it together on Monday. So if you look, gives you some introduction about heredity, what genes are, and traits. And then you learn about gronkles, which are these guys right here, super cute, I know. And you learn about some genes that they have. And then you answer your questions based on the information in this paragraph and the information in this paragraph. And it builds on each other. So make sure that you're going kind of step by step, model through model. Then you'll use these things called monstrous nightmares to learn about these things called alleles. And it's really important that you kind of understand the distinction between a gene and an allele. So really try and get that as you're going through that. And then you'll kind of learn the difference between dominant and recessive, and think about what you know about those words already. Hopefully that will help you as you go through this. Then this idea of heterozygous and homozygous. Once again, all of the information, everything that I expect you to know is in here. Make sure you're reading very, very short paragraphs. And then the difference between genotype and phenotype. All of those are really, really important vocab words that we will need to know moving forward, even when we get into our project at the end of this unit. Once you are all done with it, you're going to click on share. You're going to go to where it says get shareable link, change it to can comment, and then you'll copy the link and you will paste it right here. And then you're going to tell me how genes and alleles are related based on what you did in this worksheet. And then for your extension, what I would like for you to do is use the internet and research some genetic disorders. Write down 3 of them that you think you would be interested in learning more about. The end of our unit project will be about genetic disorders. So I want you to have an idea already of something that you would like to be able to learn a little bit more about, something that you're actually interested in. And that's it for the week. I'm giving you about 1.5 days to do this. Figuring it'll probably take you a little bit less time, but just in case you need that little extra time, it's not that big of a deal. Once you're all done, you'll submit this assignment into Google Classroom by hitting that turn in and submit button, and then you're all done with biology for the week. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I am here to help as usual. Have a good rest of your day.